Hey guys, what's up? Well, as you can see, it is a gorgeous day here in Virginia. Spring has sprung and it's time to do some yard work. I got a new toy. Let me show you. Alright, well that's it. I got a zero turn radius mower. It's a Toro 50-inch cut because that's all that will fit in my shed. And I just finished using it actually, so I'm a little hot and sweaty and a little sniffly. We got the pollen count is pretty high today, but it needed to be done. And so with the new toy comes a new project. Let me show you. Alright, so that is the ramp that leads up to my shed, and it works great for the old lawnmower, which died, but it's not going to work for this new one. The new one is wider and it weighs a lot more, so we're going to build a new one. Alright, let's rip out this old deck and try not to get bit or stung by anything terrible. It's gonna be fun. I don't remember how I attached that thing, so probably just going to break it off with a hammer. That was the easy part. Hi. What are you doing? Alright, so just got done moving this sheet of treated plywood back here, and if you've ever moved plywood without one of these things, you're missing out. It's called a panel carrier. You just slip it under there. It's got a little notch right there. You just stick it under there, and then you can walk it like this. Treated plywood is much heavier than regular plywood, regular untreated. I don't care if it's Baltic birch or construction grade plywood. It's way heavy. It's stupid heavy. Stupid heavy. No, that didn't make it any lighter. Well, there you have it. Brand new ramp. Let's put this thing to use, huh? Works great. Alright, thanks for joining me on this one. It was a good one. This one was tough. Treated wood is not fun to work with, but it had to be done for this one because it's in direct contact with the ground. So, I hope this one really lasts me a long time. The last one actually lasted me quite a while. It was untreated wood, but you saw how damaged it was when I took it apart. So, this one should last me a lot longer. In any case, it works great, and I'm very happy with it. Thanks for joining me on this one. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and tell all your friends about this one, will you? As of this viewing, my current subscriber total is 1,220, I believe. Maybe 1215 or 1220, somewhere in that ballpark. Anyway, do me a favor, share this with all your friends, and let's get that subscriber count up. It would really help me a lot. All right? Thanks a lot. Until next time.